woke up again today, caught in an uphill stream, stuck in a spider's web of all my broken dreams. My brain feels like a cave, a chaos wrecking wrong. This music gives me reason to keep on going strong. The world spins at the same speed while velocity is 0. I started at my bed, it ended right at home. I'm chasing shadows, reaching for the sky. Every day is a battle, night is a fight. In the storm of my mind, I'm looking for a light, so I can say I at least gave it a try. Can we stop the noise? It's too loud. I can't hear my brain no further sound. My mind's an open plain, I've seen cacti and some grain. I've been walking here for years, and there's no place to stay. I look for a thing called home, but home is built with hope. And this home is a mirror I know, but the reflection isn't my own. Time I knew was gone in seconds. Memories I knew are playing on the moon. The creature of the dark keeps haunting me, and it had my home. I gotta let it roam free. The desert that I described, it has a line that if I cross, there's an oasis of life. In this song, I can find some peace of mind, a piece of time. In this song, I can find some peace of mind, a piece of time, where I don't know if I am broken or it's just a filthy lie. But I know that it can't be too, cause this journey was for me to try and bring some goal in mind, a way where I can express my mind. And when it's all over again, I'll search for something, progress again. Can we stop the noise? It's too loud. I can't hear my brain over the sound. Can we stop the noise? It's too loud. I can't hear my brain over the sound. The wavelengths of my doubt drown out my call. In the chaos of light, trying not to fall.